In the fascinating world of science and innovation, American researchers have accomplished something truly remarkable. They transformed a real lifeless spider into robotic grippers. Get ready to embark on an extraordinary journey where science meets imagination and possibilities are limitless. Meet Faye Yap, a brilliant mechanical engineering graduate student at Rice University. Her inspiration struck when she stumbled upon a curled-up, deceased spider in the hallway. Fueled by curiosity, Faye and her team, led by Assistant Professor Daniel Preston, set out on a unique quest to explore the potential of these little arachnids. They aptly named this groundbreaking field of research necrobotics. Now, you might find it creepy, but these mechanical grippers have some astonishing practical advantages. Spider legs possess an extraordinary ability to gently grasp large or small, delicate, and irregularly shaped objects without causing any harm. Unlike mammals, spiders move their legs using hydraulic pressure. Yes, you heard it right, hydraulic pressure. They have a prosoma, or hydraulic chamber near their head, which sends blood into their legs, causing them to stretch. The legs then re-close when the pressure is relieved. Faye Yap explained that spiders use only flexor muscles to curl their legs in and extend them outward using hydraulic pressure. Now, let's dive into the fascinating procedure. The team delicately places a needle into the deceased spider's prosoma chamber and secures it in place with a dab of superglue. Then, a small amount of air is injected into the chamber using a syringe connected to the needle, which opens the spider's legs. The legs gently close again when the air is sucked back into the chamber. The results of their experiments were astonishing. The spider gripper can lift more than 130% of its body weight. Imagine the possibilities this could unlock. The team conducted numerous tests and discovered that a spider carcass could endure around 1,000 opening and closing rounds before the tissues began to deteriorate. To overcome this, they plan to apply polymeric coatings. The authors of this incredible research pointed out that humans have a long history of relying on biotic materials derived from living organisms. From ancient ancestors wearing animal hides as clothing to using bones as tools. Beyond the eerie scientific allure, these necrobiotic grippers hold the promise of becoming indispensable in delicate situations. From Rice University in Texas, a new chapter unfolds in the world of science and robotics, where the line between the living and the artificial blurs, revealing endless possibilities. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. For more mind-blowing scientific discoveries, thanks for watching. And stay tuned for our next adventure into the wonders of technology and innovation.